Good afternoon. It is May 11th, 2021. It is vlog 91, and I'm tired today. We had our vaccine shots yesterday, and last night was kind of crazy. We had, yeah, it was. I had the chills all night. It was kind of crazy. Yeah. So I do definitely need a tuning right now. Woo. Nice. But anyways, yeah. Yesterday, wow. I think I left it yesterday that I was going to get our shots, or I did take the shots, but yeah, it was kind of crazy. Let's look at the weather today. Do that real quick. Weather. The weather. Is that really? Is it 68? Wow, it did get a little bit warmer, 68, but yeah, we're at the high and it's getting cooler now. So, oh yeah, cool. And it looks like we're staying around the same for May. Crazy. Cool, but yeah, yesterday we went to go get our COVID test, so we went to CVS. We actually had an appointment. We decided on or the Johnson & Johnson shot, and we just wanted to get one and done, and me and Carrie went at both at the same time. And then we got the shot. God, it hurt. Did it hurt, baby?
It hurt.
It hurt going in. I was like, wow. Felt like one of those shots when I was in the Air Force. It was the hemoglobin shot when we used to go to Africa and stuff. And they put this one in we call it the peanut butter shot because they put it in your butt. And it hurt so bad. But it felt like that, but a little bit sharper. It's kind of crazy. And then we came home. What were we doing? I wanted to do, I had a Zoom party with the Ook Social because I finished my 100 days. Woohoo! 100 days of Ook. Finished my goal. I recorded 100 songs in 100 days. It's on my YouTube. Check it out. If you guys are watching, you can see it. Actually, I haven't added it to my playlist, so I'll get it all organized. But it was awesome. You know, even though I previously before I could say that, yeah, I sang every day anyways, so it was kind of the same, but now I just recorded it every day for 100 days straight, which was crazy. And then doing one takes was cool. It's actually freeing that way because I'm not worried about how good or bad I do it. I'm just going to do it on the spot, and yeah, how it goes is how it goes. And it was awesome. So it's going to be fun to look back on all of those. And actually, I have a lot of watching to do because I want to watch all the 100 days are finishing right now, and I want to watch that. It's really cool. But the Zoom party was awesome. I get to watch all the 100 dayers do it, and there's a couple people that have done. This is their third or fourth year. It's kind of crazy. So yeah, pretty awesome. These guys are rad. Troopers. And then my 100-day song. Actually, I did it after they sell that, and then I did my 100-day song, which is Imagine by John Lennon, and it was appropriate. It's funny, like the truth is I was going to do your song as my last song, but since it was Mother's Day yesterday, I wanted to give that gift of a song to the mothers. They deserve it better than that. But I am giving the gift to music because I will update all these song sheets. Actually, I was looking at them. They're right here. there's three folders of song sheets, but I'm going to put it all in one file. And then I'm going to clean them up and then have it available for people. It's going to be cool. And I have 100 songs that I could teach. Really awesome for training. Let's see. What else happened? I feel proud of myself and this accomplishment. That's so awesome. Challenge for myself. Challenge accepted and done. So looking forward to the next challenges in life. This just makes everything easier. Let's see. Then right after that, I just had enough energy. Carrie ordered some food from, where did we get it from? Urban Plates. Good spot. Check it out. Urban Plates here in Long Beach. But yeah, I saw it. I was already getting tired when she pulled it out. We ordered. And then I just ate like a few pieces and I was done. Like the vaccine took over. I was just out. I started getting chills and hot, cold, and I just got ready for bed and got to bed. But it was all night. Like, I was achy. Oh, it hurt. And then, yeah, me and Carrie both, right at the same time, we were just like, oh, we're done. And we just went to bed and woke up this morning. About, what time did we wake up? I don't know. I was up and I'm still a little bit tired and groggy, but I feel a lot better than yesterday. So yeah, it was pretty awesome. But today, I kind of won't. Will I go over today? Yeah, we feel totally better today. No more chills or hot flashes or anything like that. Actually, this morning I missed a hookah lesson. They were on the way to the shop, but we'll reschedule. Sorry, Kenneth and Grace. Totally, that was my bad. And then Lily came over to do homework. She likes to come over and do homework over here, so it's pretty cool. But other than that, I don't think I have anything. Let's look at some birthdays. I'm just kind of tired, so I'm just like tired. Finished the 100 days. We're on countdown to vacation, right, baby? Where are you going next week?
We're going to Idlewild, baby.
Idlewild for Carrie's birthday. Oh yeah, we ordered our new phones finally. Mine's dying. It was a good ride. I still have the iPhone 7 Plus, and the battery's dying in it, and it's probably good to get a new battery in it. But yeah, I think we need to upgrade, and we did. So we're all getting our phones. One's for Carrie's Mother's Day gift, and I just need a new phone. It's gonna be kind of cool. We'll have those before we go. We can test out the cameras and stuff like that on the new iPhone 12s. I got the Pro Max. Carrie got just the regular 12. She got the blue. She loves blue. I got white this time, and that should be fun. That's coming tomorrow. So, and this phone's gone. I don't know. We'll see. And let's see. Oh yeah, birthdays for today. Birthday. Birthdays for me today. How weird. Crazy. Anyways, no birthdays today, but there's more coming. Carrie's 50th.
Let's not talk about it.
She's older than me. But she's a lot prettier, so it all evens out. So, anyways, it is May 11th. It is Tuesday, the day after the vaccine, and I'm still here. So, I am fully upgraded to 5G. I do hear kind of voices in my head right now, so I don't know. Is there a direct connect or something? Is it like
voices?
We actually did watch. We've been watching. What is it? What is it called? Emery Smith.
Fuck.
Emery Smith. That
I don't
guy.
Remember.
Cosmic
Disclosure.
Cosmic Disclosure. Oh my God, Emery Smith. Wow. If this, I go back to that question. What happens if you find out everything that you've known is not true, and it's totally different? That's a crazy question. Interesting. I don't know. I guess you wouldn't know until it happens, and everything's turned upside down. That's gonna be crazy. But Emery Smith. What were they talking about yesterday? Oh my God, it's so crazy.
So much.
So much we don't know. But anyway, it is May 11th, Tuesday, vlog 91. I'm still going on the vlogs, and I'll probably do something. I love doing the 100 days, but not every day. Maybe I'll do it once a week or something like that. That'd be kind of cool. Maybe I'll do an episode like that. But I kind of want to make it more song and platform to talk, do interviews, things like that. Actually, I want to highlight these 100 dayers because these guys are pretty awesome. Some of them have done it twice. I want to find out who has done that and actually interview them. That'd be super awesome. So with that, that's all I have for you guys today. And every day, keep on strumming the ukulele. I'll see you tomorrow.